Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to check your Windows update. So I hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. So go to settings, so click Windows icon and go to settings, and this is full screen and update and security check. So clicks and just click check for update. So just you check updates and you can get latest update and soon as soon available. So just turn on these options. So no update, just click again. So guys, no updates, so you can check every day or later. So push 7 days updates and change your active hours, currently 8:00 am to 5:00 pm. So view update history, so check your view already update. Others to driver differential update 17 and driver update 13 and quality of update 8. So I hope you can understand. So bye bye.